How to sort with lambda in Python. I am trying to sort some values by attribute, like so. I get this error message. Why? How do I fix it? This question was originally written for Python 2.x. In 3.x, the error message will be different. Type error column sorted expected 1 argument, got 2.
Use. On Python 2.x, the sorted function takes its arguments in this order. So without the key equals, the function you pass in will be considered a CMP function which takes 2 arguments.
It will print as following.
You're trying to use key functions with lambda functions. Python and other languages like C# or F# use lambda functions. Also, when it comes to key functions and according to the documentation, both list.sort and sorted have a key parameter to specify a function to be called on each list element prior to making comparisons. The value of the key parameter should be a function that takes a single argument and returns a key to use for sorting purposes. This technique is fast because the key function is called exactly once for each input record. So, key functions have a parameter key and it can indeed receive a lambda function. In real Python there's a nice example of its usage. Let's say you have the following list. And want to sort through its integers. Then, you do something like, and printing it would give. In your particular case, you're only missing to write key equals before lambda. So, you'd want to use the following.
In Python 3,